Sound, one, two, three, sound. Is this okay? I don't know what microphone I'm using. Let me check what microphone I'm using. Uh, Not really sure. Not really sure. Uh, Fuck. Why? Mm. Anyway, you should be able to hear me anyway. So let's let's move on. So I had this idea. Let's do a simulation a day. Let's do a simulation a day and try to reach Raja, to reach that, to do that. So let's try. Let's try. And I think if we do one simulation a day for 30 days, man, we should be all right. Why don't we simulate? We don't simulate because we lose. We lose. So let's go over that, because that's the way. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to do just like Raja. I'm going to get some dates. Where? Somewhere. Maybe here, here. Okay. No, not this one. Not this one. Yeah, it's another. Maybe this. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I picked some dates. Let's grab the middle one. 202 2020. So let's go for that. Blah, 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 blah. New simulation. Let's go for the pound. Look, Raja does simulations in the pound. I saw the pound. I saw New York session, London session. It doesn't matter, man. He does it with USD CAD. He does it with gold. He does it with GA. Man, it's just he does it. He does it every single time. Every single time. It's just ludicrous, And man, come on. Fuck, we gotta be able to do it also. Just that. Just anyway. Count currency. Yeah, 10,000. It was 202 2020. 202 2020. Account can be in GBP 10,000. It doesn't matter where it ends. Rewinding allowed. Yeah, I'm going to leave it just in case I miss the entry and I wanna go back. This might be of use. Leverage 1 to can be 500. Spread is the real one. That's another thing. Raja plays with the real spread of Dukascopy, and it's huge. It's a huge spread. It's like 2 pips or 1.5 or So man, and it does it so it doesn't care about the spread at all. Just ridiculous. Okay, let's grab some charts. So I don't really feel the need of the weekly, but let's go for it. So the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, the M30, and the M15, and that's it. Okay, where do I start? 15, 30, 1 hour, 4, daily, weekly. Yeah, I didn't put too many bars, but let's see. Templates, clean. Okay, we don't have much information on the daily, but it's alright. If I lose, it's because of that. Template. Clean. Oh, I have the water point in here. Wow. 30 minutes. Clean. And 15. It's funny because I'm going to put divisions of the days also in here. Um, it's funny because the quarter points, oh, they don't work over. So it's only the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. This can be useful, especially because of the major ones in here. You see, yeah, just just leave them. The moving average, I think I'm just taking it off. Period. I'm going to put this in another screen. I'm going to take off the moving average. Delete. Hmm. Delete. Delete. And that's it. Yeah, I'm going to take this from everywhere. Yeah, Mr. Charling, I'm just recording this video for you, and you should record the same for me. You know, you should do your back testing and do the video, and we should see each other's video and see if we agree with the decisions the other is taking. You know, and see whether it's more profitable or not. Let's discuss this shit. It's only each simulation is like 5 trades. It's just a week, so it's all right. Not many trades to discuss, but we can discuss it every single day. You know, without and we should be able to evolve a lot out of this, out of where we are. Okay, let's start with the daily. The daily. So the daily breached the support here. Support, kinda support. Ooh, this is yep, this is the support on the daily. I'm going to clone it. We came down of the support, we came up, we retested the support, and we came down again in this bearish candle. So yeah, this is a bearish structure on the daily. So let's move on. 4 hours, yeah, you can see the retesting here, very clear. In the 4 hours, this is an amazing entry, especially after this week. All right. Okay, nothing. But well, we have now another support in here. In here, this is like a false break. I think the support is in here, but it matches the low of this candle and those closes, and this one is a false break because completely come up again. And that's another Raja is always doing, playing the false breaks. It's amazing on the other direction, okay, clone it. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly what Raja does, especially on this one. You had the break. Soon as you close in, he's taking the high of this candle here. He's taking the high of it for this next zone here, for this next zone. So let's put the zones here on the 1 hour now. So we have this zone here, and oh fuck, where I should go to the yeah, sorry, I am not yet. We should go to the Yeah, to the place where we want to trade because this is midnight here. uh, okay, control I. Yeah. So let's go to New York and New York sessions. New York. This is really weird because he's always saying New York Open is 15, you know, and it might very well be. I don't know. Maybe this thing is not okay. It's not alright. But anyway, the thing is, oh shit, previous one. Cannot go back. Anyway, 1 hour. Okay, let's go to the next bar. Mm-mm. So the 13 is the this is the pre-New York actually. This is the pre-New York here, and yeah, this volume. Yeah, fuck me. But yeah, this is the pre-New York, and New York Open is really here at 15. You know, so let's start from here. Um, well, we cannot do nothing right now because we have those big, huge candles there. Yeah, well, we can do some zones here. We can do this zone here, and yeah, maybe this one. I don't know if price will come back here, but if it will, we have also this one. Let's clone it. Mm-hmm. We can adjust the 30 minutes here. Oh shit. MetaTrader is just so okay. We have this zone here. Okay, so that's our zones in the 30 minutes. Let's see the 4 hours. Big bullish movement in the 4 hours. This is going to get out of here. Yeah. Yeah, 4 hours has just breached everything. Like we had this one here, it's gone. We have this one here, which is also gone. And we had this one. Just amazing. But it cleared everything. Wow. Just anyway, I'm not going to put those zones now because they make no sense. I'm just going to leave this last one. And let's see. Let's see. Going to clone this one. Okay, let's go over the 30 minutes and let's see what price is going to do. Okay, playing. Let's see if we can find some sort of support in order to continue this movement up, or if we come down to this zone here again, or this zone here. Let's see. So it's 10 minutes only in the bar. Can put it a little. Little. Yeah. Ooh, this is going. Wait. Fuck. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh man. Now it's New York Open and fuck me. Hmm. Okay, this is a good speed. It's like 1 minute, another minute. Yeah. So, but the thing is, I wanted to grab this thing. Yeah, because it was the New York Open volume. So yeah, maybe no trade in this day. Let's see. If we break if we break below if we break below this, we might get a trade. We might. So this might be interesting. Let's see. So this one now is a no-go because we like when we close bullish here, yeah, we have a trade here. We have a trade. Immediately we have a trade because we closed above that resistance. So we don't have to wait for the breach of the high there. You know, that would have been 26 pip stop, but it's a one-to-one. You can get it here. Yeah. So, and we always have to target that one-to-one, at least, not 10 pips, one-to-one. That's yeah, at least to take 90% or 80% of the position on one-to-one, and then anyway, let's play. Let's see if price comes to the support again. If it comes to the support, we might get, and if we get a bullish candle, we might at least go to the high again and do a double top. For now, we cannot do nothing. At least in my perspective. Yeah, yeah. This is what? This is the 30 minutes. Okay. Let's see if we breach this support or if we bounce from it. Very important to see how the candles develop. When we go candle by candle, we don't see the action inside the candle, and that's very important to see. Like this one is rejecting, coming down. So yeah. So this on the breach of that high, yeah, should be it again. Let me pause this. So bullish candle coming from support here. Bullish candle. Weak bearish candle, lower high and lower low, but he closed bullish, and it just didn't close above support. But right now, if we breach the high of this candle, because this is a rejection, isn't it, from the bottom? It kind of reject this level here. So if you breach the high of this candle, this might be a trade here, because the high is already above that resistance there. So let's see. And if we come down, none of that will work. But for now, we are still in New York volume. We just opened an hour ago. So New York SE is about to open also. So let's see. Okay. Oh, not yet. No break yet. Oh, not yet. Yep, we broke. Okay. So now I'm doing a 1% trade here. 1%, 1%. Stop will be below the, yeah. As we wick down, stop will be below this, because if I see it coming down again, it probably is to come down. It's because it tricked me out, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is to place. Oh, that's another one. We can place. We can do visual mode to place trade. I don't really know how it works, but visual mode. Oh, yeah, when we click the buy. So you see, you have this button here. I never realized this button was here. I learned it in Raja stream. So we can do this, and then we can buy. And I think it asks us for where we want to put exactly where we want to put our stop, which is right here, and our target. And the target, I'm just going to leave it, just maybe this major QP, because major QP it's a big deal. It's a big deal, but it's quite too close. Maybe next one, because I wanna grab. I want to leave something to run, so I'm going to put stop forward. And then we accept this risk reward. It says the risk reward here, and that's amazing, isn't it? And that's it. We just click the accept, and yeah, trade is placed. What an amazing thing. Let me just scale fix this. Uh, oh yeah, okay, okay. So let's see how price behaves. If we do a one-to-one, I close 50, no, 90% of my position, or 80%. Let's see. Okay, the candle closed bullish with a very little wick, so we should have a retrace here. Let's see. Okay, moving on. Not one-to-one yet. Oh, let me just put profit loss in pips. Okay. This is very bad. Okay. Okay, because we have to manage risk according to M15, right? Oh yeah, and you see that M15 closed bearish there. So I'm going to go back one candle, okay? So oh fuck. No, I fucked it up. Okay, so let's because it was the 1 hour here. So let's text bar. Okay, M15. So first we have to go back to that trade. We have to go back to that trade. So the trade was in M30, okay, and it was when I breach this high here, okay. So let's play this and place the trade again. We came down, we tested, we did a wick, and we breached the high. Okay, we breached there, So now we place a trade of 1% with stop just below this week and target far away. And we accept. And yeah, I'm going to take profit out. Now the trade has to be managed in M15. That's the thing. Okay, I was missing. So let me just scale fix this. Okay. Okay, if I have a bearish M15, I'm closing off of my position. Okay, so that's the thing with managing risk. And I think if this one is going to be bearish. Okay, so in here I have to close 50% of my position. So even if it comes to stop, man, it's going to be like off of the risk only. So closing partials, closing 50%, close. Okay. So if it comes to stop, it comes to stop, no problem. So that's how it works. It doesn't look good. Let me see 30 minutes. 30 minutes is respecting the low of the previous 30-minute candle. The 1 hour is looking beautiful because it's a higher high and a higher low. Okay, so if we might consider to add our risk back, okay, if this thing flips bullish, you know, or if we come again above this quarter point or next to this week, or maybe because we came down and we respected the low and now we are moving up, you know, so when it flips bullish, it should continue. It should continue. Let's see, because I'm not I'm willing to add my risk again. Let's see. Okay, I'm adding my risk again. So now it's 0.5%, 0.5%, and going to buy. And again, I don't want it to go below there, and the target doesn't matter much. We just accept it. Okay. So now let's see if we go to this quarter point at least. Okay, we had a bullish close on the M30, which is very, very good. So everything is bullish, 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 bullish. I'm not expecting this to come down because we are making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows in the candles. So let's move on. Looking like shit. Oh, again, I'm in M30. Okay, the M15. I'm confused. No, okay. I should have taken out because this is where I entered. Okay, because the candle flipped bullish. This candle flipped bullish, so I entered. but then I had a bearish 30-minute close, and not only a 15-minute close in here. So I have to close again one position, because this is not, yeah, this is not going. So I'm going to close partial, not partial. Yeah, I'm going to close one position to have half risk only. So I'm closing, yeah, I'm closing this one. Closing this one here. So let's go. Because I've already tried to add the risk, but we are just shopping around, so market is not really with a lot of will to go up. Let's see. Okay, M30. Well, if we break the high of this M30, I might consider to add the risk again. Let's see. Let's see. It's really ranging, man. Talking. Just playing with me. Another bearish close. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good at all. We have a bearish 30-minute close, another. We don't have to take the full stop here. We don't have to take the full stop. Well, it's not even close to a full stop, but I just don't feel good anymore with those trades. So I'm closing everything. And we lost 0.58% in total. Okay, instead of 1%. So that's quite nice. Let's see where it goes. Oh yeah, it would have been the full stop. Alright. Alright, so price creates the support here. What time it is? So we open here. Yeah, this is already London closed. Not. Let's move to the next day. Let's move to the next day. Nothing to. Okay, so. Oh, it ended up going up, huh? Motherfucker. No, it's just ranging. Yeah. Okay, so we want to start pre-New York, which is here. Okay, pre-New York. And New York should open in here at 15. Okay, so where are we? Let's close this. So 4 hours. Ooh, 4 hours is just making higher highs, higher lows. Yep. So we have this zone in the 4 hours. And that's it. That's all we have now. And yeah. Run this. Let's go to the 1 hour. Beautiful zone in the 1 hour. Yep. And now we have this zone also here, isn't it? This top. So let's put it there. So M30. What are we doing here? So we have this range that we are kind of. So we have also this zone here, because if we come and retest this zone and they make a bullish candle, this is a very good trade. Should be. Man, let me just put my phone on silent. Done. And okay, bullish 30-minute candle. Yeah, it's a very low range to go back here, because yeah, I could enter, but then we are blocked in here. It's not a one-to-one risk reward. So let's see what Mike's going to do. But it should go there because this qualifies as a false break on this zone here. You see, we closed below, so everyone is jumping in for short, isn't it? So we closed back in the range. We closed back in the range, so this is a buy immediately when this candle closes. Uh, at least I saw Raja to do that for many times. So let's see how it goes. hmm So that doesn't qualify as a candle. Not wanting to go up. So I would be very scared if I was in this trade. Okay, still testing the support. Okay, okay, we closed below again. So this is not good. If you want to go up, that's not good. Okay, but we were still in the trade with 50% because our stop would be below this. But yeah, this is a no-go. No. Okay. Are we finally going there? We should go there to do a double top, or eventually go higher. Anyway, if I would have been in that trade, the entry would be here. Let me see in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, the entry would be. Wait for it. Okay, 30 minutes. The entry would be in the close of the 30 minutes. In the 15, yeah, it's this closing here. It's, yeah, what time is this? 12:45 now. Okay, this one. We just close here, so let me check again. 12:30. The candle is 12:30 candle. This one is the 12:45. Okay, so that week is this one together with this one. Yeah. So it's in the close of this candle here. So my stop would have been below here, and yeah, the thing is, I didn't got in this trade because there is no risk reward. But this is just to say that if I would be closing off in here in this 15-minute candle. So yeah, so at the moment I would have only 50% running. Okay. So yeah, not really. Let me just see how many pips was that. where we are, 19. The stop would be 30, so we would have to go past. Yeah, you see, that's why I didn't got in. But yeah, opportunities are arising now because we now have this. New York is open. New York is opening. We have this zone here, and we have this zone here in the top. So let's see how this candle closes. If it closes above this, those wicks in the left, it might be a good one. What time it is? What time? 14:55. So this will be volume time, real volume time. Yep, we closed above. So now, yeah, we just need a wick down and a bridge high, and we are in. The wick is done. No, not really, because we don't want it to go in the first minute. It has to wick. Well, sometimes the volume is very strong, but if we wick down first, it's much more secure. We have a little wick in there. I'm going to take this shit out of here. We have a little wick, so this is not a no wick candle. Also, okay, we are almost breaking the high there. We didn't. We did not. Okay. So this is an impulse entry, and an impulse entry will be a buy of 1%, and I'm setting my stop loss in here, just below this. Leaving it a bit of room to if you want to wick down a bit more, and the take profit is just irrelevant. So yeah, trade is there. Let's see how it plays. So we are entering the first 6 minutes of the candle. Not sure if it's a good idea. We are wicking down again. Come on. Nah, doesn't want to go. I always forget to manage the trade in the 15 minutes. Again, this is an error. Like, I've entered, so I have to manage the trade. So I'm going to put the previous bar here, okay? Shit. Man, where's my trade? Oh man, I have to, again, sorry. So the entry, I'm going to take this shit off. I'm going to put my trade again, okay? Yeah, okay, it's there. So it's a buy of 1%, which stopped just below this thing, okay? And target up there. Okay, so now I have to manage the risk in M15, and that's the thing. Go. Because we are going to have a bearish candle, and I have to close 50%. That's the thing. Okay, 2 minutes to close. Okay, closed. This is where I take 50% out. So trade, 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Close 50%. And the rest is what it is. If we break the low of this 15-minute candle, it's also not a good sign. So yeah, we got to stop out. So, but again, we have lost very like 0.7% or so. So let's see how it goes now. We still have time to trade. Yep, we have. So let's see what happens. I'm going to leave here in the 15 minutes. Because now we have another zone here, isn't it? We have this zone here, this quarter point. Okay. And not only that, we have this zone here, but yeah. So let's see what happens. From here to here, there is no trade, but if we breach below this zone here, or we breach higher in this one, might be, we might have trade. Okay. So we closed very. This is a very bearish. This is an evening star, isn't it? Something like that. And this is we closed below here. Again, I don't have a range to do a trade here. I don't have a range because from here, first we didn't close below, but you know, we could do something like no, this is a no trade here because we are in support. We gotta close below support, and then we gotta wake up, and so this is no trade at all. Okay, we are coming down. Close bearish again. Maybe market wants to go down. We still have time. New York SE is about to open. Oh. So those are 30-minute candles, okay? 30-minute candles. No, that's M15 candles. Okay. 30-minute candles. Let's see what happens in the 30-minute candles. What is happening here? We have a bearish candle, and this one is rejecting the bottom. Okay, another bearish candle. Now, let's see this one. It came up and it rejected and it came down. This is, you want to clear this zone here before getting into a trade. At least me. So it would have been ideal for this one to have closed a little lower, and then this one would have to. So we have to wait. Yeah, it's reaching down. But we cannot enter here. No, not yet. Maybe in the M15 we find something better. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So this was what? What time it is? 16:15. So the M15 has closed bearish and below. Okay. So let this one wake up a little bit. and maybe retest this zone here. And after that, we might, if we breach the low again, we might have a trade. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going for a trade here because we already breached everything in the left, and we closed below everything in the left. We already wicked up a bit. There's a lot of momentum to go down. So, yeah, I'm going to place a sell here with with my stop just above the previous M15 candle. Just yeah. So let's see. Sell in visual mode. This is a 21 pip stop. The target will be here in the bottom. Okay, our trade is set. Let's see how it goes now. Again, I'm managing on the M15. The only problem in this trade is I didn't wait it for the 30 minutes to close. Because this is volume time, so I'm taking the M15. Maybe it's not a good idea. Let's see. Okay, bullish candle. I mean a short. Not a good idea. This is where I close 50% again. Close 50%. Now, if I breach this low, I'll enter again. My trade looks like shit. It's a false break. Okay, so this is a stop. So let's go to M30. Let's see if we close inside the range again. Because if we do, let's see M15 first. Okay, we closed inside the range. M30 closed inside the range again. Okay, so this is a fake out. So we are just entering this position. This is a candle with no wick. So let's let it do a wick first to the bottom and then we enter. Okay, there's a bit of a wick there. Not too big, but okay. I'm going to jump in a buy with my stop just below this candle low, and my target it doesn't matter, but I'm yeah, we should go to the stop again, so it's more than 1-to-1. So let's see. Accept. Yay! So I'm not taking 10 pips. I'm taking 1-to-1. Let me manage my trade on M15. Oh shit! Really? That one closed bearish already. Hmm. No, but bearish with no wick. So, hmm. Not sure here. If we get a bearish candle inside the zone of, let's see, because this one can easily engulf that one and move on. Bullish candle. Okay, this is a big bearish candle. So, but we are still good. Let's see if this one closes. Let's see how this one will close. Okay. So this is yeah, this is where I kept my 50%. And move on. And now we are going to the high. Okay. So 30 minutes has closed, not yet. If the 30 minutes breaches this high in here, I'm heading back by risk. Again, if it breaches the high, bullish candle, it's good. If we breach the high, we did. I'm adding back again 0.5%. It's a buy, and the stop would be just below this one in here. And yeah, Jesus, they're just ranging. Well, it's already late as shit. I shouldn't be trading. I'm looking at the time. Is okay. New York open here. So New York open here. Then New York SE in here. So this is already after London closed in here. But let's see how it goes. If we can breach the high or not. But it's out of steam. You see, there's no volume in the market anymore. Just do it, man. Okay. This is a bearish 30-minute candle, which is the last thing I want to see. But let's see, because it's no volume time anymore. Those candles can print very easily. Yeah. Okay, we are almost there. 26 and 18. Hmm. So this one, is this a one-to-one already? Let's see. The stop of this one, 27. Yeah, we are around 27. So I'm going to close the first one, 27, and let the other run at break even. No, also the other. I should. This is already a one-to-one on the other. So 17, 19. Okay, so I'm going to close partial. Going to close 80% of this one. Close and yeah, set break even, and that's it. Let it let it come to the break even. And that's what's going to happen. Yeah. When there is no volume in the market, it's just yeah. Okay. Okay, we are good. This trade wasn't too bad. Um, it was a lot of yeah. First we got faked out. We managed risk. Then it was for real, but we have to manage risk again because there was no real volume. So yeah, let's go to the next day. Next day, going to put the 1 hour chart. So it's already Wednesday. So pre-New York, here we are. Okay. Ooh, this looks good. Let's take this one out of here. Okay, I'm just going to pause for a bit. Okay, moving on. Is this recording already with 1 hour and 2 minutes? Wow. Okay, so this looks interesting on the 15 minutes. Let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour, very bullish action. So what we have here, we have this support here. I'm going to put those white to see if I can see better. Yeah, the thing is I don't see the thing in the middle to move it. So let me put a color that I see it, like this one for example. Where is the thing? Because we really need to grab in the middle. Anyway, is what it is. So we have the 1 hour here. Yeah. Let's see if we break this. It might be interesting to come down. Yeah. What about the 4 hours? 4 hours is just looking very bullish still, but we have this inversion thing, so yeah, we might come down, and it's clean traffic in the 4 hours, and also the 1 hour. Well, I think, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to play this in the 30 minutes, in the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Hmm. So we have this zone now in the 30 minutes, this one here, and yeah, and we have this one. So let's see if price comes back here and retest, and I don't know, let's see. Uh, 30 minutes closed bullish from this support here, this support here, this was the support here. So I don't know. I still Mm. Because we just might come, yeah, we might just come up in here and retest these things, and like we have clean traffic, but what about if we go here and retest and come down again? Um, yeah, so I don't think this one is a good buy in here. So our buy would have been in the breach or yeah or something like that. So, but again, mm, doesn't look good. We probably will react from here and come down again, or not. Who knows? Okay, we closed inside that range again, and now if we wick down and we move up again, that's a buy for me. So what I don't want to do is to get in the first minutes of the candle because it has to wick down first. So now if we go up and if we breach that high, I'm very confident to have a buy in here targeting this resistance here and we'd stop just below the wick. Let's see. So in order for that, we cannot breach this low. But if we breach this low, it's a different conversation. Okay, we breach the low. So we now having a bearish bias now. Uh, yeah, such a mess in here. We need to breach out this zone. We need to breach out this zone in here. This 1 hour zone. We need to get out of here. Mm-hmm. Price is just ranging. It's just, man, close cake, 30 minutes close bearish. And New York is opening now. So now we have a different, uh, this is really tricky here. Let's see. We now have this resistance. Okay. So I'm not really caring about this one anymore. And we are at the 1 hour support. We are at the 1 hour support. So if we get a bullish candle that passes from this high in here, I'm taking a buy trying to reach this zone here. Okay. We breach the high. We did. In here the high is 51.90, in here is 52, so we have reached the high. So I'm taking a buy. I'm taking a buy with stop just below the candle. 1% risk. Buy. Stop here. And I'm trying to reach this, going to put stop far, the target far away, because I'll close manually. Except, so this is the 30-minute candle. It's, yeah, it's an impulse entry. New York just opened, so I'm expecting volume to do something. Yeah, it's not going to do shit. Okay, we gotta manage in the 15 minutes. And 15 minutes as a bullish close for now. Okay. Still a bullish close. That's nice. We breached the low in the 15 minutes. That's not good news. That's not good news at all. Um, mhm. I don't know. The breach of this low, I should consider to close 50% of my position. Because again, I'm expecting price to just shoot up, and it's not happening. So I'm closing 50% trade. And if we go up again, I'll just have to I'll add it again. Was partial, 50% close. Play. If we breach the high again, that's a different story. Okay, we are getting stopped. Okay, we got stopped out. So again, not losing the full risk. So of course, this is not going good. Now again, we have to get out of this 1 hour support in here. We have to get out of here. So this looks like it's going to do it. Let's see. So that was okay. Let me in the 1 hour. We have a big engulfing. Then we rejected higher prices. So this was a false breaking here. But now if we see a breach of this 1 hour, so this is not really, I don't know. Okay, let's see it. Let's see how it plays. Let's see how it plays. Are we going to breach this low or what? Bearish candle. Mm. Oh, this is a bearish 1 hour close. Okay. And this bearish, it was not below the other closes. So let's move on. 30 minutes. lot of weeks, so it should go down. Except, except we don't go down. It's just there's nothing I can do in the buy here. We have a resistance here. We have another there. If we breach this resistance here, then we might consider to take a buy. If we breach this zone here, we might want to target this one. Let's see. Okay, another bearish candle. That's the 30-minute candle. Bullish, bullish. Bearish. Man. And it's New York over. This is about London close already. Jesus. This is already, again, not time to trade anymore. So yeah, let's move on to the next day. This was a losing day. Again. Not losing too much. 180, 181. It's already 3 days of losses, I suppose. Okay. Let's move. It's not breaking the 1 hour zone. Just crazy. Anyway, let's move on, move on, move on. Okay, pre-New York. Pre-New York. So let's clean all this mess. Okay. So in here, we are now in the 4-hour support. We have a 4-hour support. We have this zone here. Also, this is not really. I prefer to have it like this. And we have another zone here. Okay, let's clone all this shit. No, let's first delete everything here. Object list. Rectangles, I suppose. Delete. Oops. Okay, so in the 1 hour, what happened in the 1 hour? In the 1 hour, let's just clone this zone. Yeah, it ended up happening what we yesterday didn't have. It's like we didn't have this candle yesterday. It was just shopping around the whole session, till the end of the day. We needed this candle to break, and yeah. Anyway, we are at support now. 4-hour support. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's see what happens. 30-minute chart. So this is support again. We have a weak bullish 30-minute close. But if this close reaches the high of this one, I might take a trade here. I will take a trade here. It's 14 pips and 17. Well, it can be below this one, which is 14. Okay, so that should be the deal here. If it closes bearish, it's a different story because we have to break that zone. Oh shit. Okay. My entry was This is a no week, a no week. So, but anyway, my entry was at the breach of this high in here. Okay, so it's about the price where the price is now, and the stop was below this week. So I'm going to take a buy. It starts below this week here. Yep, and the target. Well, let's put something. Accept. What I want immediately is just to do a 1-to-1 and go to this resistance again here. You know, this zone. It's about it's about the 1-to-1 thing. Let's see. Yep. Oh man, I missed it. Let's see if I can have another chance to take it. Okay, a bit more. Come on. Okay. Is that it? Uh, in the eye it was, but let's see. From here, oh, we have 12, and the stop is 15. So we need a bit more. Come on. Okay. Oh man, I missed it. How many bits now? Trade, trade, trade. Okay, we have 50 bits. I'm closing. I'm closing 90%, 90%, and leave the rest running. Hopefully to get to this zone here. So break even. Let me set break even. Okay. Bullish candle, very nice. We might reject this area here and come back down. So that's probably it. Or not. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, we are coming down. We should do a double bottom in here. Mm. Okay, but this was before New York open. So let's see now, because it's opening in 30 minutes. Bearish candle. We have no range to take a sell. We gotta wait for this to breach, and to take a buy, we need to take a buy. We need to breach this one now in here. So okay, we breached all those weeks there. We are reacting. Okay, this is a double bottom probably. So let's see, if we breach this high, oh no, this is not okay because it's not a 1-to-1 ratio. So if we go above this zone, let's see, we should go high now. Another week down. It's just weakening down, but this is a 4-hour zone. It's very hard to close below. If we close below, well, that's another story. Let's see. Ooh, it's closing. No? Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, let me see in the 1 hour how we are. Ooh. So the zone is really like this. Kind of, yeah. Okay. So yeah. I think we are closing below. In a minute to close. Okay. So here's the deal. If we wake up and we come down again and we breach this low, I'm taking a sell. Immediately, I'm not taking a sell. Oh fuck, I should. Uh, okay. Do the week. Uh, picked up a bit. He picked up a bit here. That's very big. Oh, unless I take the. So let's see this again. Okay, so we are breaching this zone here. Okay, we are breaching this zone. 30 minutes, close there, and we breach. It still might be a false break. It still might be a false break. Uh, hmm. So. It just. Hmm. I don't see enough of a week to take an entry, you know, because the stop cannot be in the top of this candle. That's too big, way too big. Well, unless I have a one-to-one, but yeah, I can do that. But there's a major one in here, 138, the major QP. Um, so it will not give me the risk reward. So, man, if I lose it, I lose it. That's it. Yeah, I missed it. Okay, no. Ah, shit. It's just so shitty, man. Just so shitty. What time is this? Uh, this is Thursday already. Wow. And I just missed a trade here. And now we are in that major QP, man, which is, as we know, can be tricky. So I cannot enter here because it's in the head of the QP, isn't it? Let's see if we do a retest and come down. And I might use the 15-minute candles for that. Okay, we reached the zone there. We have a bearish 15-minute close. I'm taking, yeah, getting out of steam. That was a pin bar. Okay, in the, we just came here, we retested the zone, and we are coming down again to do a double bottom, or to go or to move more. We don't know. So I'm taking this impulse entry here. Um, expecting price to go to the bottom here again. Or because the thing is, this is yeah, I can wait for this candle to close. I can, yeah, of course I can. I might. Okay, we close. So yeah. Let me. Yeah, yeah. As we breach this low here, we are taking the trade. Okay. So I'm selling. The stop will be just above here. Target should be. Well, doesn't matter. Uh, yeah. Let's see. Okay. Looking good. Let's see if we can get a one-to-one, and the one-to-one will be. Where's my trade? Um, where's my trade, folks? It's just stupid. They disappear. They're not anywhere. Fuck. How do I? So the sessions are here. Sessions, sessions, sessions. Trade. Where are the trades? Oh, in here? Oh, stupid shit. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to. Oh, okay. I just wanted to see the. No, it's only about 9 pips. 10 pips. So what's one is 10 pips. Let's move on. Okay. We are 11.7 pips, so it's moving 90% here. And yeah, I'm taking. Again, this is a major 50. So targeting this next zone maybe. Is this a major zone? Uh, Let me take this. Wow, this was from a very far distance. Yeah, this has no zone. This has absolutely no zone here. I don't even know what this thing is doing here, but it's no zone at all. Performed in the another day. Okay, so let's try to reach. Yeah, I'm just going to take the target out of the way, take profit out of the way, and oh, and I put my stops to break even. Oh shit, there we go, there they go again. Stops to break even, and let it run. Okay, we closed very well in the 130. Um, okay, let's just see where this can go. Man, this is clean traffic. Wow, this is clean traffic. This can go very far. So let's just play it. Let's just play it. How are we in terms of time? This is so this is London Open. This is New York SC. No, this is New York open, New York SE open. So we are half an hour to London close. So we still have volume for a bit. Thirty bits. Hmm. Okay, I'm going to move bar, next bar, next bar, next bar, next bar, next bar. Oh, I mean the 1 hour. Yeah. So now we created a support here in the 1 hour. Next bar, next bar, next bar, next bar, bar, next bar. Okay, now it's already, yeah, no time to trade anymore. So I'm just going to close this. Or maybe if we can down a bit more. Let's see. But I want to close this at this point. Next bar, next bar. Spread is used by now. 26 pips. Uh, yeah, I'm just leaving it. Just leaving it. Next bar, next bar, next bar. Okay, 34 pips. Uh, yeah, I'm just leaving it and hoping that that's the purpose of a runner anyway. Hoping that we might come here, you know. I'm hoping for that. So yeah, we have a little bump in there. It's in the M30. In the M30 there is nothing. And this is really might be a good chance to go. So I'm just leaving it anyway. So let's see. If it's a break even, it's a break even, no problem. Right. But okay, this is where I want my target to be. This is 136.55, 136.60. My take profit visual, visual, move the lines in the chart. Okay. So that's 147.50 if it goes there. Of course, this is ridiculous, but you never know. So, yeah, I have to put the sessions to see where we are. Next, next. Oh, what a shame. Yeah, we came back. So, next. Uh, hmm, okay, let me just stop to challing in the chat. Just pausing for a bit. Okay, moving on. So, yeah, we end up getting stopped in here. So, mm, next bar. I'm going till New York. Okay, 30 minutes, and I should get everything out of the chart. All those lines, all those zones, all this shit. It's so difficult in meta trading. Okay. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, that's better. It's cleaner. Okay. So the 1 hour. Oh, he's faking here. Motherfucker. The 1 hour just did a false break to the upside and then came back inside the range again. Amazing stuff. And it's moving down. So this is very bearish scenario. Okay. Okay, going back to this. So we have a very bearish 1 hour setup. We breach below here. So this is quite good. This is heading down. Yeah, this candle. Wow, this was amazing. Let me see the zone here. So we had this zone. We broke below. We broke all the wicks. We came up and tested again. We reacted also in this zone. This zone here, which is also this zone here. So this is all about the same. Yeah, this is where we got reactions. So where are we now? What do we decide to do here? So this was a rejection from the upside. Okay, so we breached down. This candle tried to go and reject, and was rejected. So let's see if we have a break of this low. You know, we might be good to come here to this next zone. This next zone here. If we have a breach of the high, we cannot do nothing because we gotta go inside this zone in order to take trades. That might be good to come here. Let's see how we play. Are we going to breach the low? Not for now. So this is the 30-minute candle. We are 23 minutes in, so this should close bullish. Maybe not. Okay, again, rejected again. So again, if we breach those lows, we are in. So, I'm in. Let me set my order. Sell at 1%. The stop is above those wicks. Okay. Trying not to get taken. And yeah, let's do a 1-to-1. This is around here, a 1-to-1. But well, not necessarily. I'm going to put it in here. Okay. And that's a 1.66 to 1. But I'm taking 90% at 1-to-1. So let's see. Let's play it. Oh, and this is the trade. Looking good. How much is my 1-to-1? We have to do 19.4 pips, so 20 pips. So we are off the way. Come on, baby. Down. 9 pips. 6 pips. 10 pips. Okay, 17. So we are almost there. Almost. Oh, we didn't manage to take it. We didn't manage to take the 1-to-1. Come on, if it goes back, I'm going back. Because it gave me a 1-to-1. So no, there is no fucking way. Come on. Come on, fucking hell. I'm not setting break even because I'm expecting still to go to 1-to-1. Rejection there. I might need to come back to go back on the candle. Let's see. Maybe not. Okay, 19.3 pips. The stop was 19.4, so yeah, I'm closing 90%. So, and the rest, let's see if we can target the sun here. Oh, break even. Mm, looking good. Yeah, almost there, almost there. Oh, almost. Got it. Okay. So, man, wow. I just finished. Man, this is a almost 2 hour recording, but this is a Friday in here. Yeah, Friday. So we did a week. We did a week of trading, and yeah, I end up positive, man. I don't know how, but I end up positive in the end because it started like shit. Okay, let's do one a day, man. Let's do one a day and train this shit. This is all we have to do. Okay? I don't want to see 1%. I want to see 4, 5, 6, 7%. That's what Roger does every single fucking day. So, yeah, that's for you, man. See you in a bit. Bye bye.